Hello everyone, welcome to Rao Family Kitchen. Wishing you all a very happy Deepavali. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Ragi Manni, also called as finger millet pudding, a traditional dish from Karnataka. This recipe is by Mrs. Kiran Jayaprakash. Ingredients required are ragi seeds and wheat seeds 1 cup each, soaked overnight in water. Liquid jaggery 4 tablespoons, cardamom powder to taste, also 1 cup of ghee. Strain the water from soaked ragi and wheat seeds and pour it into a mixie. Grind it thoroughly. Sieve the mixture and take all the liquid out of it. Pour the liquid into a kadai for heating. Add 4 tablespoons of liquid jaggery. Add little cardamom powder. Add 1 cup of ghee. Keep mixing in a medium flame until the mixture gets thickened. Make sure there are no lumps. Grease a thali with ghee and pour the mixture into the thali. Level the mixture nicely and let it cool down. Once the mixture gets cooled down, cut it into pieces. Ragi Manni is ready to eat. Hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos.